Hi, so at Monsha, we try to keep the product more iterative and contextual and relevant so that you don't have to start over every time you want to create a new resource. So, for example, this is a reading passage on chemical reaction, which is under a lesson called types of chemical reactions. So now you want to create more resources within the lesson, and you want it to be based on the reading passage or relevant to the reading passage so that you don't have to upload your reference materials or source materials every time you create new resources within the lesson. So you can do that by uh, clicking on the create button here. So if you click on this, you will have two options, another resource and another resource based on this. So the difference is if you click on the first one, it will let you create another resource under this lesson, which is not necessarily based on the passage here. But if you want to base it on the passage, you can click on the second resource, second option. So if you click on here, it will take you to the all tools page where you can select the kind of resource you want to generate. For example, I want to create a question. If you click here, you see on the reference page, a Monsha resource is already selected by the system. So you can either add more resources or reference materials here. You can assign your topic and everything else. Then you can configure the question as well. And the generation will be based on the resource you just came from.